Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an order from Mccart for some nail supplies that just arrived. I thought we would quick unbox these items together, show you what I got. Y'all know I do my own nails at home and I've gotten into doing polygel, so that is pretty much going to be what we're going to see here. I actually got two items, two different shipments from Mccart. So here's what it looks like. Let's go ahead, pull everything out and see what it all looks like. Okay, so first two items, you can tell we've got Mccart's nail extension gel, and the color is pumpkin orange. You guys know I'm wearing some orangish colors right now. Let's see what this looks like. So I have been using my Model 1's brand of polygel. I really wanted to try Mccart. They had some items, some colors that were on a pretty good sale, so that is what I chose to do. Let's see what we got here. Looks like there's instructions in the box. It's nicely bubble wrapped. All right, so here is the first one. Just over an ounce of an orange color. Pumpkin orange it's called. Let's see if it's shrink wrapped. Yes, got a nice safety seal on it to keep it from drying out, which it really should not do, but it does have a little acrylic in there. All right, so that's the first color, pumpkin orange. We got this one here. It just has a number of the color, so let's go ahead and open that. I'm really impressed with how quick this shipped. I got it probably within 7 to 10 days. Did not cut. Hang on, guys. I'm trying to cut open the box, and the safety seal's really stuck. All right, so that's how it looks. Really impressed with how quick this all arrived. It did come in 2 different shipments. Okay, that one's a little squished. Feels really nice and soft in there. So that is what it looks like. Does not have a color name per se, but has a nice seal on it. So that'll be fun. That out of the way. Then we have this box here. That's how it looks. Let's go ahead, just cut open the seals. They had a couple of kits that were really well marked down, so I did grab a couple of them. All right, these are going to be smaller tubes. All right, so this is pretty much a full kit. Again, there it is. Let's start with this. All right, we've got 3 colors here. It's the first one. Pretty nice neutral nude colors. I'm gonna like those a lot. That's even pretty. Then we have their top coat and base coat. And this should be the slip solution. If I can get it out, I'll just turn it. So a little bottle of slip solution, which is nice. Then in the rest of the kit, we've got forms here. These are the dual forms. Let's look at those. I'm just going to cut open the bag. Let's see what these dual forms look like. Whoa, okay, there's a couple. So there's the shape. Seem really nice. So nice curve to them. All right, nice dual forms, which I'm making a mess out of. Okay, then they send you a nail file. Looks nice. This looks like, oh, maybe a 100 and 180 maybe. Doesn't say on here. Probably says in the instructions, might say in the kit information. Doesn't really say. Okay, well, that's fine. Then, of course, we do get this is what I was kind of eager to get. There should be a spatula and a brush. So here's the brush. That is a specific brush for using polygel. Going to be a little different than an acrylic brush. Different stuff. And then the other end should be a spatula. Yeah, there's your spatula. So that's great. Eager to try that. So that is a nice kit. One of the 2 kits. Then we do have this. Mccart's brand nail extension gel. Looks like a nice kit. It's sealed on the edge here. So these will be fun to try. I do need to do my nails soon. They're pretty grown out. Looking pretty bad. Okay. All right. Very similar type kit. So we have another Mccart. It's the same one. Looks very much the same, which is great. Really, honestly, shouldn't be any difference to those. Then we have a set of forms here. It's nice. See if I can get into it. Nice little, these are a little smaller. Well, wouldn't be a video if I didn't drop anything or throw it. Get a bigger one. There's 2. Okay, here we go. So nice enough looking forms. Appreciate the case. Okay, so instructions. All right, so it's a 120-240. This one at least tells you what it is. Let's take a look at the different colors. All right, Misty Rose, light pink, dark pink. This one is a natural pink. Then we have, looks like a white, bright white. And this should be a clear. Yes, clear. So 2 final items should be the top coat and base coat. If they'll come out. Wow, really in there. Okay, so we've got the base and the top coats. Those look pretty nice. So pretty nice, pretty thorough kit. Doesn't give you any slip solution, but you can always, most of them tell you can use the base coat as a slip, or honestly, all I use is a rubbing alcohol, 70% rubbing alcohol. Works really good. So let's pull one of these out. Does have a nice safety seal, so that's good. So, you know, these aren't very big. All these kits, usually you don't get a lot with them, so you know, they'll last me a little while. They're kind of fun to try. I did want the bigger sizes, so I did order, like I said, some of these. So this is my first time using McCart, so I'm really eager to try theirs. As I said before, I have been using Model 1s, so really eager to try McCart. I do have an affiliate link down below if you guys are interested in trying any of McCart's products. They definitely have acrylics. They have obviously your builder gels and your polygels. They do have gel polishes, and they do have some really beautiful dip powders. So if you want to do, or you're getting into the dipping, you can do that as well. So check it out and let me know what you think. So that's this kit. I do have the other kit. Like I said, a couple more colors there. More base coats and top coats. All right, so I did get another envelope from McCart. And I believe these are the free products I got for ordering all those other items. And I think this is going to be a lot of dual forms. So let's take a look. Like I said, from McCart. I think I'm going to be set on forms. All right, so I believe these are the same. So we've got McCart. So these are the coffin nail type. Let's see. Get into these with a set of scissors, maybe. Pretty hard to open. Maybe I can get it open. Maybe I'll have to cut it. There we go. All right, so here's how they look. Lots and lots and lots and lots. This is going to be the same, honestly. Let's just open and take a look, see what we've got. I think these are just going to be glue-ons. I'm not sure I will really use these, but there they are. Coffin nails. So there we go. All right, you guys, I really appreciate your time checking out my little haul from McCart. Let me know down below in the comments if you have, you know, used any of the McCart products. If you just use some gel polishes. Do you do your nails at all? Do you go to a salon to have them done? I have mentioned before in previous videos, I used to go to the salon. Unfortunately, they were burning me and cutting me, and I just couldn't deal with it anymore. So I ended up learning how to do my own nails. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Here are the other, like I said, colors I got, a little bigger. They look like they'll be very pretty. So to make a decision on what I'm going to use first. So if you're new here, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, and join my channel. Leave a comment, like I said, down below. Let me know what you guys think of all these goodies. And have a great one, you guys. I really appreciate your time. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.